Manifesting. Hi, D. Good morning, D. Andy, hello, Joker. Hello. Boss Love, hi. Edward, good morning. Kung alam mo lang na mahal ko kita, nasa may mahal ko na at di na ako ang iyong mundo. Wala kayong paki. Porket, porket ba pink yung chick? Porket ba yung pink yung sinuot ko? Masaya na kayo dyan? Hindi pa rin ito magiging sa'yo. Hanggang tingin ka lang. Mystery Man, where is your place? Edward. Martin, hello. My pleasure, Chares. Guys, parits nyo ako 3-star, guys. Altred, hello. Good morning. Chief, good morning, Chief. Me? What do you mean, me? Magic, thank you. I smile, smile. I angry. Lauren Miles, hello. Chief, where are you from, Chief? How are you, angry, smile. Golte, palubak. Palubak? I'm from taga saan ka? I think English ka na. I think you are a Filipino, Chief. Right? You are a Filipino. Mike, hello Mike. Guys, nyo ko guys, pa-reach nyo ko 3-star. Kanina pa ako dito. Hi, first start. Hello, good morning. First start. Where are you from? Heidi, hello. Thank you so much, guys. Yay! I'm a 3-star. Ay, 2-star pa pala. Thank you, thank you. Pa-reach nyo ko 4-star at 3-star, guys. Manifesting, level 98, hello. Good morning. Jackie, hello. Oh my God, ang lakas ng hangin dito, guys. The weather is not good. Chief, you have guys make it for me, Chief. Manifesting, Chief. Fernan, hello. Good morning. Zach. Yes, so why? Kevin, hello Kevin. Ang labo ng ang labo ng phone ko. Hindi ko makikita. Parang ang dilim-dilim niya. Sup na, hello, good morning. Hi Kahil. Good morning, Mr. First. And more than ever. Hello Kahil, good morning. Where are you from? Manset. Guys, pa-reach nyo ko 3-star, guys. Hi Joker, good morning. Good morning, Joker. Guys, pares niyo ako. Level 39, hello, where are you from? Thank you. Thank you, Joker. What's your height? 5'6". 5'6". Hi, Sha. Good morning. 5'6". How about you, John? Get, hello. Ahmed, hello, good morning. MM, 6 feet. Ah, okay. You're tall. You're very tall. 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 What's your name, you beautiful girl? You know, my name is See at the Top. Thank you. You're welcome. Jan, help me to reach 3-star, Jan. Please. I know you have a good heart then helping to poor people there in Ligo. Only 3 star, 700 ay 800 na lang to 3 star. 800 to 3 star yan. Hi Frances, good morning. Manifesting 3 star. Where are you from, Frances? Hi, if be you girl. If be you girl. Follow ba? Muna ko nasabi. Hugo, hello. Mas malabo ang paliwanagan. Paano ba sisimula kung matatapos na? Masisipin pa. Tyron, hello Tyron.